Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what are the benefits what are the benefits of Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. The content of our video right now is courtesy of developer.com. So what are the benefits of Python? There are plethora of benefits to developing software in the Python programming language. Will highlight the major benefits below with a brief explanation of the advantages of choosing Python for each one. We have here Python is extensible. Python on its own powerful programming language, but there is always room for improvement. That being said, Python is highly extensible, meaning that you can extend Python to other languages and write C#, C, C++, Java, and other programming languages within your Python codebase to add functionality or blend it with other software. Python libraries. Speaking of adding functionality to Python, one of the major benefits of choosing Python as your programming language of choice, or even adding it as a second or third language, is the large amount of libraries you can incorporate into your code. A library is basically a piece of reusable code that can be used for common functions such as manipulating images, performing equations, database administration, regular expressions, and so forth. Libraries help reduce coding errors, make programmers more efficient, and make software smaller in size and lines of code. Instead of writing long lines of code to accomplish a common task, coders can simply call upon a library, often with a single line of code, to perform the task instead. Note, when we use the phrase library, we are using it interchangeably with modules and packages. Python community. Without a doubt, one of the most important benefits of Python is vast community of developers and software engineers. This community helps support Python and thus Python developers in numerous ways. For starters, they help the language grow and expand, and new iterations of the programming language rely on community support to add functionality and find flaws in new versions. They also actively contribute to learning resources like Python tutorials, guidebooks, forums, discussions, and video content. In addition, the Python community creates libraries and plugins that expand what can be achieved with the language. Since the Python community is so large, it also ensures that the language continues to exist and the companies continue to adapt Python into their developer stacks and technologies. This means more Python jobs and more users to purchase the Python software you develop. Python is easy to learn. Python is incredibly easy to learn regardless of your age or experience level. It is part of the reason I wrote a book about Python programming in the language of teenagers. It is a great entry to programming software as a whole, since the language is so simple to read and write, and also make a second or third language to add to your developer resume. Even if a programmer plans on coding in different language further down the line, Python is a good place to start. You can learn basic programming philosophies and concepts that overlap no matter what language you use. For example, pretty much every programming language uses the concepts of variables, data type, loops, and iteration, and control statements like if and else. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report. What are the benefits of Python programming language? Published by James Payne, last August 6, 2022. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.